Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today's vlog is really special because this is my birthday vlog and I already posted a mini vlog, but this one is going to be a little more detailed because I wanted to share not just the place but also how I actually felt during this trip. So this year I decided to celebrate my birthday at Jirang Monastery. Well, to be honest, it was not planned. ये randomly बस बन गया और dates वैसे match हो गए कि मेरा birthday भी आ गया और मेरा trip भी हो गया final. And honestly बोलूँ तो ये जगह मेरे bucket list में बहुत पहले से था and finally मुझे time मिल गया यहाँ पे आने के लिए and यहाँ पे हम लोग रुके हुए थे. So we booked a room nearby and trust me, it was one of the most peaceful stay ever. And to be honest guys, मुझे ये room बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद था क्योंकि जब भी मैं window खोलती थी मुझे बस birds की sound सुनाई देती थी, बारिश की sound सुनाई देती थी, तो it was so beautiful. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम लोग फर्स्ट डे बिल्कुल भी कुछ एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर पाए क्योंकि इसके बाद इतना तेज बारिश हुआ कि 1 मिनट के लिए भी बारिश नहीं छूटा और पूरी रात सिर्फ बारिश ही हुई और जब हम पहुंचे तो मोनेस्ट्री की गेट भी क्लोज हो चुकी थी सो वी जस्ट स्टेड इन आवर रूम एंड वॉच द रेन एंड एंजॉय द पीसफुल एटमॉस्फेयर देन कट टू नेक्स्ट डे हम लोग जल्दी से उठ गए थे एंड हमने सोचा कि अभी बहुत ज्यादा टाइम है गेट खुलने के लिए सो लेट्स जस्ट एक्सप्लोर द लोकल एरियाज एंड द मोमेंट आई स्टेप्ड आउटसाइड दिस इज द व्यू एंड आई जस्ट लव्ड एवरी बिट ऑफ इट और ये प्लेस इतना मैजिकल था एवरीथिंग इज सराउंडेड बाय ग्रीन mountains and floating clouds and honestly I couldn't stop smiling. If you're ever planning to visit Odisha then please add this place to your list because it's genuinely one of the most beautiful place I have ever seen. और आप कहीं भी देखोगे आपको सिर्फ mountains दिखाई देंगे, mist दिखाई देगी, greenery दिखाई देगी and since it was raining everything looks even more magical. We walked towards the main gate and just look at the view. और यहाँ पे एक लेक भी था and it's looked a little muddy because of the rain but somehow that made everything feel so even more natural. And on the way one uncle even smiled and said hi to my vlog and that little interaction honestly made my day. तो फिर हमें करना था ब्रेकफास्ट एंड वी सर्च ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवेयर बट एवरी रेस्टोरेंट सीम्स टू हैव ओनली मोमोज एंड फाइनली आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग सर्च वी फाउंड छोले भटूरे and we are definitely not breakfast chole bhature people but we were like anything is better than another plate of momos so kha lete hain. And one thing I absolutely loved here was local people. Everyone was so kind, humble and welcoming and sometimes a place becomes beautiful not because of its view but because of the people who live there. And finally, it's time to visit the monastery, and it's also known as the Little Tibet of Odisha, and it is one of the largest Tibetan Buddhist monasteries in eastern India and was built to prevent Tibetan Buddhist culture. Even before entering, you feel an incredible sense of peace. And honestly, आप लोगों का तो नहीं पता, but place like this made me feel alive, and these are the places where I truly wanted to spend my money, my time, and my energy. The architecture, colorful details, the peaceful surrounding, everything was simply breathtaking. And unfortunately, videography wasn't allowed inside, so we respected their privacy and just experienced the place with our own eyes. And ज़रूरी नहीं कि हर चीज़ रिकॉर्ड किया जाए, है ना? एंड उस दिन इतना तेज़ बारिश हो रहा था, हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा वेट किया बारिश छूटने का, बट लास्ट में बारिश छूटा ही नहीं, तो हम वैसे ही भीग-भीग के चले गए थे। एंड हमें निकलना भी था, तो इसलिए हम जल्दी-जल्दी आ गए। एंड ऑनेस्टली माय बर्थडे ऑलमोस्ट कम्स विद रेन, सो आई थिंक रेन हैज़ बिकम पार्ट ऑफ माय बर्थडे ट्रेडिशन नाउ। So before heading home, we decided to visit Mahendragiri, and this place is one of the highest mountain peak in Odisha and is deeply connected to Hindu mythology. सिर्फ views के लिए ही famous नहीं है, but it's also one of the most sacred place in the state. According to Hindu mythology, this hill is believed to be the place where Lord Parshuram, the sixth incarnation of Lord Vishnu, performed years of meditation. As we explore further, we even come across what devotees believe are the sacred footprint of Lord Hanuman. Whether you believe it or not, मुझे तो literally goosebumps आ गए थे, and I'm also a spiritual person, तो होता है. So as we kept climbing higher, the road became narrower and the clouds started surrounding us from every direction, and it's almost felt like we are walking through the sky. And finally we reached the top, and the weather was extremely windy. The wind was so strong that it was actually difficult to walk properly. On the top of that, it was raining continuously, so the path had become slippery. But despite all of that, the experience was absolutely worth it. Well, तो बारिश में आने के लिए तो मैं बिल्कुल recommend नहीं करूंगी, but on clear day, the viewpoint offers stunning panoramic view of endless green hills. So this is how I spend my birthday. I love rain, I love mountain, and here I am. So इससे अच्छा birthday तो मेरा हो ही नहीं सकता था. So yeah, that's it for the day. Hope you enjoy this one, and I will see you in my next one. Till then, bye guys.